If you're planning to start a business in Texas, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Texas even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video. So let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in Texas? Well, for one, you have liability protection, and that means if your business ever faces legal or financial trouble, your personal property like your home or savings is better protected. And of course, you have tax flexibility and credibility. LLCs offer multiple tax options, allowing you to choose a structure that best fits your business. And then you have a no personal income tax. This creates a very pro-business environment and allows business owners to keep more on what they earn. And of course, you have a thriving economy. Texas is home to over 3 million small businesses, and with a strong economy and endless opportunities, it's a prime location to launch and grow your LLC. First, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Let me tell you that your business name must be unique and include one of the following: LLC or Limited Liability Company, and you need to avoid restricted words like bank, insurance, or university unless you have approval. Now, if you have a specific business in mind and you want to check the availability, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the Texas Secretary of State website and then type in your desired name. If there is no matching results, that means that the name is available and good to go. Now, if you want to reserve that name, you can do so for as long as you pay the $40 fee, and you can have it reserved until 120 days. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Every Texas LLC must have a registered agent. They should have a physical address in Texas. PO boxes are not permitted, and they are the ones that receives all the legal documents. Of course, they should be available during business hours. If you wanted to become a registered agent of your own, you can do that for as long as you meet all the state requirements. But what we highly suggest is to hire a professional formation service like LegalZoom. More of that later in this video for privacy and convenience. Now, it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Certificate of Formation, or also known as Form 205. So you have two ways that you can do this. Number one option is by mail, which is the slower option, but what we highly suggest is to file it online. The filing fee is around $300, and once you've done that, you need to enter the LLC name, registered agent, management structure, it could be a member manage or manager manage, and the organizer info. Now, the processing time may vary around 2 to 5 business days, and the mail is really longer, which has like 5 to 7 business days. Texas does not legally require an operating agreement, but it is highly recommended. So think of it as the rule book for how your business will run and how decisions will be made. Because for one, an operating agreement clarifies ownership. It clearly states who owns the percentage of the company and how much each member has contributed, whether that's money, property, or services. Of course, it outlines roles and insights. This helps avoid confusion and keeps everyone on the same page from day one. And of course, your operating agreement covers the profit, loss, and distribution.
It specifies how profits will be shared and how losses will be handled among members so there are no surprises later on. And of course, it prevents future disputes. By setting clear guidelines for handling disagreements, your operating agreement can help protect relationships and keep small issues from turning into major conflicts.
Next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes.
Now, let's talk about Texas tax and reporting requirements because this is an important step to keep your LLC compliant and in good standing. Of course, number one is going to be the annual franchise tax report. The good news is that if your business revenue falls below the state's threshold, you won't owe any franchise tax, but you still must file the report. And of course, there is going to be the no state income tax. One of the biggest advantages of forming an LLC in Texas is that the state does not charge personal or business state income tax. That means it can mean more savings and more money to invest back into your business. And of course, there is going to be the sales and local taxes. Now, even though Texas doesn't have any state income tax, you may still need to collect and pay sales tax as well as other local or city taxes depending on your location and the type of services or products you offer. And of course, you need to maintain good standing. To keep your Texas LLC active and in good standing, make sure you meet all filing deadlines and pay any required taxes on time. Because staying compliant helps you avoid penalties, fees, or potential admin dissolution. Once your LLC is officially formed, there are a few important steps you shouldn't skip. Okay? Number one is opening a business bank account. This is crucial for keeping your personal and business finances separate. Next is obtaining required licenses and permits. Take time to research what's required for your business and secure all necessary permits before you start operating. And of course, keep records updated. Anytime there's a change, like a new registered agent, staying current helps you remain compliant and avoid unnecessary issues down the line. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Texas. The good news is if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. You will be forwarded to a new page, enter your desired business name. If you want to skip and decide later, you can do that. And of course, we need to choose the state. And in this case, that's going to be Texas. Now, if you want to provide your email address or phone number, you can do that. You also need to select the industry. And in our case, that's going to be affiliate marketing. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. There are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, You can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And basically that's it on how to register an LLC in Texas. As you have seen, the process is actually pretty straightforward for as long as you follow the steps in the right order and pay attention to the details. It is one of the best states to form an LLC. Because the filing process is simple, there is no state income tax, and the legal protections are strong. You can always stay on top of your ongoing requirements like the Texas franchise tax and annual filings, making it a great choice for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and growing businesses alike. With that being said, but if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.